Hello friends, this is the video of A to Z Forex Training. There I will teach you everything about Forex step by step in a very easy way. If you don't understand anything, just ask me, I will help you. Okay, let's begin. Hello friends, it's me AsirFx. Welcome to my channel AsirFx 360. So before I start the video, I just want to give you one advice. So some people come in the forex market with the loan money or the borrowed money. So they take loan from the bank, or some people with the high interest, or they promise to people that okay, give me the account, I will give a huge profit, but after the end they lose money, and then they fall in a very big problem. I saw many people, they destroy their life by this way, because they thought that they will be very profitable trader, but when they take money by loan or borrow, and then they lose all the money, and even sometimes police also involved in this case. So in my advice, now you are practicing in the demo, but in future when you join in the forex market, you must take your own money, what you can afford. So if you want to think that okay, you will sell the car or home and you will put the money, please never do these things. If you have enough money that you can use in the forex market, or if you lose these things, it will not make any change in your life, then you can deposit money in the real market. But don't take loan, it will be very bad for you. So please remember my advice, this advice for your lifetime. I hope you will never fall in a big problem if you follow just this simple advice. Even I don't do these things. So now I'm going to tell you that this is the video number 10, and in this video I will discuss about what is margin and what is free margin and what is leverage. So basically this is the video number 10 of A to Z Forex Training, and in this video I will discuss first about these three things, and then I will give you a homework and you must have to complete these things, and at the end I will show you our real account trade. I hope you can learn also something from this trading. So, and also I start this episode because this is the episode number 10, so I will make it 45 episode. So I am making this episode only because I never want that my subscriber or viewer they lose money in the forex. I just want that you know the true information about the forex. Okay, now we can go to the main videos. Basically a leverage, margin and free margin and those kind of things is a little bit complicated for the beginner. So I just want to try to explain with the very easy way that you just understand for the trading. So maybe in future you can learn more about those things, but now I am just telling you that those things how affect for your trade, and what is the basic knowledge about these things, and I think it will be enough because you are not going to be a professor with these things. So I think this explanation will be enough for you. So the leverage means say for example in the broker, when you see you can see the broker giving you many types of leverage. So if I show you the broker, and then you can see, okay, so if I show this broker, then you can see, so if I choose the leverage, you can see that they are giving 1:1000 and the minimum is 1:25. So what does it mean? It means that so if you have $1, you can trade like you have $25, and if you take 1:1000, it means if you have $1, you can trade like $1000. But the broker is giving you the leverage because if they don't give the leverage, it will be very hard to trade in the forex market. Maybe you need the $100,000 or $1 million to trade in the forex, but everyone don't have this kind of balance. That's why broker giving the leverage that the small trader can also participate. So it's have some good side and also in the bad side. So the bad side is that so they are giving you the $1 against they are giving you $1000. So it means if you want, you can buy also the $1,000 currencies even if you have just $1. But if you lose your $1, then they will close this order, because the broker, if you make profit, then you can continue how long you want, no problem. But if you lose, like if you have $100 and a broker giving you $1,000 leverage, so it will become more than 100,000. But if you lose your $100, then broker close your all the order and your balance will be zero. So basically it's have some good side also and the bad side also. So if you have a proper money management, then you can take leverage, so you can use it in the best way. So in future I will show you also that how can you manage good money management strategies. So now I am just going to show you. I have opened two accounts. One is 1:500 leverage and one is to 25 leverage. And then now I can show you that what is the real difference between the leverage things. So this account I open, its leverage is only 1:25, and now I am going to open a 5 standard lot order and it said not enough money. Okay, now I am changing its 4 standard lot, like 4.00, it says not enough money. So now I'm going to set it 3.00, it said not enough money. So now I'm going to try one lot, even it said not enough money. So now I'm going to try 0.5090 and it said not enough money. So now I'm going to try 0.60, not enough money. 0.50, not enough money. Not enough money. Now I'm going to try 0.30, still not enough money. And now I'm going to try 0.20 and you can see the order is open. So it means the 1:25 leverage and my balance is $979 and I just can open 0.20 lot size. I cannot open more than, so I cannot open big lot size order. So now I'm going to show you my different account, so where I'm using 1:500 leverage, and there you can see that what will happen. So first I will try to open 5 standard lot, it means 5.00 lot size order. There, okay, not enough money. So now I'm going to try 4.00, I mean 4 standard lot. You can see there it's open 4 standard lot order, and in that account 1:25 leverage, there it's only take 0.20. So this is the difference between. So if you have more leverage, you can open more lot size, you can trade more. If you have a small leverage, you cannot open too many big order. So now I'm going to explain that what is the margin and what is the free margin. So for explain these things, I have to open an order. So first I'm going to open. Now you can see my free margin is 644 and almost everything is same. So now I open one standard lot order, and I think you understand the balance and equity. There is that the $70 minus. So it means if my balance is 444, so if you minus the 76, then equity will come. But you can see there are more. One thing come is the margin. So it means the margin is almost you can think like that it's almost like leverage. If I don't explain it too much, I can simply say that like a broker giving you leverage, so it's leverage and the margin is almost like same things. So they are just showing the margin. So it means the broker give you margin and you already use 226 margin and you have 351 margin left. That means that kind of margin you can still open some order. So if I want to open another one lot standard lot order, then you can see my margin increase. It's become 452 and my free margin is become down because I already use my 452 margin because I opened that too big lot. And also because if I don't take the leverage, then I cannot use that much lot size. So broker give me too much margin by the leverage. That's why I open a big lot like this. So now if I try to now I have free margin like 51. So now if I try again to open one standard lot order, broker don't allow me to open this order because I have don't enough free margin. So margin means how much you lot size you already open, and the free margin means you can open more trade, but depend upon the how much free margin you left. Maybe if I try to open one lot, it's not allowing me, but if I try to 0.20, maybe I can buy it. You can see it's allow me because, and then my free margin become more low. So I think you understand that what is the margin and what is the free margin. So another thing is the margin level. So basically now I am not going to explain these things because in that tomorrow's video I will explain the margin call and stop out. So I think if I explain margin level with those part, then it will help you to understand more. So I think you understand the leverage and margin and free margin. So now I'm going to the next part of the video. So now I'm going to show you our real account profit, and there you can see two things is archive. So archive means when some order is become very old, and those order they are make as an archive by broker. And this account you can see we made $2,000 profit, and this is the, and we already withdraw $1,500 from this account. If you want to learn our trading strategies and all the trading system, you can join to my live Skype online class. Learning is a very important investment for every business. If you can learn Forex properly, you can earn unlimited money from this. So if you want, you can join to my live personal Skype class. If you join this class, I will teach you everything about Forex, and you will be a profitable, successful and expert Forex trader. There you can ask me any question and you can practice with me. When you will practice in demo, I will check the trade and I will find your all mistake, and I will solve your all mistake. By this way, within short time you will be a good trader. Every month I will take only 3 students because it's not a group class, it's a personal class. If you join my class, then it will be my responsibility to make you a successful trader. For more details, you can check the video details or visit our website. Okay, now I'm going to the next part. So now I'm going to give you a homework, and in the video details you will get a link named homework, and click here and it will bring you to there. And this is the article, and it's not too much big, just give some time and read these things. And there if you read this, there you can understand the top 5 difference between the Forex market and the stock market. I mean the Forex and stock trading. Basically it's not same. So if you are a Forex trader, then you have to understand all the difference. So for that you have to read these things. It will not take too much time, but if you read this you will learn a lot of things. So I hope you will complete this in your home. If you don't understand anything, you can ask me by the WhatsApp, Skype or email, or by the comment. I will try to reply your all the question. And if you want to know more, you can visit our website. And also if you like this video, give a thumbs up for this video and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for notification. And I hope you will learn everything about Forex from my channel. Okay, bye, have a good day.